I'm Erin Knight, founder of Engineering Radiance and creator of the Migraine Freedom Program. And I thought I'd just pop on here real quick and guide you through how to get the most out of the checklist now that you've requested it. So let's take a look at it.
This checklist is one of the key tools that our one-on-one coaching clients use to manage migraines while they're working on the root causes, whether that's in the gut or hormones and so on. Realistically, that can take 2 or 3 months to see significant improvements, but by finding the right combination of natural relief techniques and following their own checklist when they need to, that we've helped them customize, they're always surprised to find that they can stop a migraine attack before it starts, and that by switching over to more natural relief methods, they can start to break out of the vicious cycle of rebound headaches from medication overuse and so on. So when you download it, the first thing you'll want to do is print it out. I like to save trees as much as the next person. I don't even own a printer. I go over to the library when I want to print something, but I still think you should print this out on paper because I don't know about you, but when I have a migraine, the last thing I want to do is be looking at a computer screen. Next, scan it through and see which items you're familiar with and which ones you still need to learn about. Over the next few days and weeks, I'll be sending out a few emails with more resources about the various items on the checklist that people often have questions about, so stay tuned for that. And by the way, if the checklist landed in your junk or promo folder, be sure to mark it as not junk so that you get those follow-up instructions. The next thing you want to do is personalize the list by adding the things that you already do that help and stash a copy wherever you potentially could need one. Your desk at work, the bathroom, your backpack. The idea is that when you start to feel the first twinges of a migraine attack, you don't want to have to think and decide what to do next. Heck, your brain might start to feel really fuzzy anyway. So you'll already have a plan made out and be able to follow it. Our private clients get access to a video series that I've recorded where I go step by step on how to personalize this checklist in more detail, of course, and how to use each of the techniques on the checklist. And I answer a lot of the questions that you'll probably start to have when you start to look at it. I'd really like you to get results from this and really want you to get relief from the checklist. So I set it up so that our gold community members can view this course for free as part of their monthly membership. And since you're just downloading this today and you might have some techniques that you're not familiar with or just questions about how often you can use things and so on, I'd like to give you a special opportunity to access this course right now for only $1.
To take advantage of the special offer for new members and get started right away, look below this video for a button to sign up for a $1 trial membership. This gives you full access to all of our courses and member benefits, including 5 Steps to Stop a Migraine, which is where you'll learn how to pick 5 items from this checklist and systematically build your migraine relief plan, and much, much more. Hopefully see you on the inside, and either way, I wish you much success in customizing your migraine rescue checklist.